Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Banana Life. Initially it was the gene, but recently I changed it to The Banana Life, which best suits the purpose. As you know, it deals, you remember where, deals with innovations, health, and comedy. Last time I talked about the health cure, the natural cure for fever and malaria. Uh, this was a movie easy. Today, we're going to talk about a wonderful plant. Actually, this is a plant which you can plant anywhere in your garden, your backyard. This one is wonderful. Among other herbs or plants, this one is very, 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 very nice, and it is the most useful plant ever. Well, there are others which we have to talk about in the future. So this plant is called eggplant. This is the family of the eggplant. But the eggplant seems to have, tends to have bigger fruits. But this one has smaller ones that are sour, or you may call it bitter, very small. As you can see here, these one are dry due to dry season, but when they are still fresh, they are green. They are sour. They are bitter. You eat one, you don't feel a good taste. But the second one and the third one, if you continue, you get used and yeah, you enjoy it. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video because you don't have to show yourself alone. Other people have to live because we are complementary, or we are complementary. So it showed me, I use it. I told others verbally, but now I had to share it on the video on the YouTube so that our people should have better life, so that you continue living longer than the diseases want us to live. So we have to show ourselves well. Basically, this herb or this plant uh, cures many diseases or suppresses many diseases. First of all, this bitter, you may call it bitter small eggplant. It cleanses your liver, the toxins. It is actually a detoxifier of your liver, of your kidneys, and the whole blood system. It cleans all the toxins or toxic material in your blood system. That's one. Two, um, this plant cures or lowers blood pressure, high blood pressure. Whenever blood pressure rises, just get a small seed. Even if you get one, at least one, it will lower your blood pressure. And if you have more, of course, it's fine. Before I go further, I want to show you which part you have to utilize. There is a seed. These seeds, when they are not yet red, or this one you cannot use it, you use the one which is still green. Just eat the fruit. It's more of this, I call it a fruit. You eat one fruit when it is still green, clean it and eat it raw. You don't have to cook it. Others cook it and cook them in the food and eat. But my recommendation is that you eat it raw when all nutrients are still in there. So this is the part of this plant that you use. the seed or the fruit, call them these small fruits, call them fruits. So it lowers your blood pressure. Well, that's second. Thirdly, it suppresses the activity of the worms. As worms dislike or fear bitterness, uh, if you have problems within your intestines, and when it is when it is caused by the worms, you eat these fruits. When they reach the worms, then the worms will disappear. Sometimes uh, they may provoke your intestines so to go to the toilet and flush them out because they are running away with the bitterness. Then you'll get better when your worms are asleep, dead, or have run away. It stops the activity. Well, that's number three. Number four, this bitter eggplant lowers blood sugar. I will not talk about diabetes for this moment, but what I know for sure, it lowers blood sugar. I've used it several times. I'm not diabetic, but sometimes due to several issues, stress, all other things that that may cause blood sugar to rise. I use these fruits, and they lower it. After checking my blood, I find that sugar is above 120, 140 and above. I go and administer this fruit. After an hour or two, I check my blood is back at 115, 120. My sugar lowers when I use this one. So you may also use it if you have a problem of rising blood sugar. Uh, well, in Africa, uh, East Africa, Central Africa, they they like they like eggplants. In every meal, it is put there. So that's why I don't know. Maybe traditionally, they've been eating it. Even when I was still a child, I used it to eat it. My mother used it to prepare it and we eat it, but it was bitter definitely. We didn't like it, but we were forced to eat. Until later on, I got to know about the benefits of this sour eggplant, which is small. So if you think you have blood pressure, you use these things. The high blood pressure, this one lowers blood pressure. It cleanses your liver of toxins, liver and kidneys. It suppresses the worm activity um, and lowers your blood sugar. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that you get more. There is much, much, much more to follow about the natural herbs, the natural medicine God gave us. They are abundant all over the place. Well, we may call them rare because, of course, they are not everywhere, but uh, evidently I've seen people have grown these things locally in their homes, in their backyard. So please do it. Be healthy. Let's live longer than expected. Uh, let's defeat the diseases and the toxins in our blood, in our blood system, so that we live longer. Please like it, subscribe, and share it to other people so that they have better life and we continue our businesses unabated. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you next time in another video.